8-day Carnival cruise to Bermuda out of New York. It was 8 days on the Venezia ship. We were in room cabin 7231 and just really had a good time. We had 3 days in Bermuda. The rest of the days were sea days, so there weren't any other ports other than Bermuda. Right at the port, we found shopping, restaurants, bars, and we also caught a bus, a city bus, over to the other side of the island. We were in Bermuda in September, and it was warm, but it wasn't uncomfortable. We had great weather, and it was just pleasant. The dining room was really pretty on the Venezia, and it had an Italian theme. We used Viator for a tour while we were in Bermuda, and it was called Famous Homes and Hideaways Cruise in Bermuda, and we really enjoyed that. This ship was part of the Concordia line that Carnival had purchased, and it was a newer ship as compared to some of the other Carnival ships that we've been on in the past. Okay, and you need to try the Dark and Stormy. It's the local drink, and it's made with ginger and dark rum. So be sure and check that out. It also makes good souvenirs. In some of the shops, they have the Dark and Stormy packaged together and wrapped up nicely, and it just makes a good gift. With our suite, we got these armbands. They were brown, and it gave us special access to an area that had, on the ship, that had hot tubs, it had a bar, and just a nice, quiet place to go relax. The ship came and went out of the Manhattan port in New York City. No car rentals in Bermuda, but there is public transportation, ferries, buses, taxis. Beautiful Bermuda. Get out there and keep traveling, my friends.